In this video, we'll be showing you how to see old Google Maps street views. So we have this map here. We will be zooming in to a street and we're going to drag the street view icon over here. I'm just going to place it here. Great. And now we can see this view and here is a truck. And if you want to see old views, you can come over here to the top left area here. So this view is for July 2021. And here you can see more dates. So we have 2021 and we have 2019. For some other locations, you may be able to see other years or other times, but we're going to be clicking on October 2019. And in October 2019, it was a brighter sunny day compared to July 2021. But in October 2019, we can see there are no trucks. It looks a little bit more messy. But this is how to see old Google Map street views.